Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well out there. Today's video is going to be just a quick little video on the Mustang thing. I am going to change the cabin air filter in it. Got a little musty smell. I'm thinking it could be the original from 2006, so I stopped off, got me a little cabin air filter, and we are going to get it taken care of today. Shouldn't be too tough, just a quick little video on getting this thing so we got a little bit better smelling air when we're inside. So let's get to it. All right, so we got the hood popped up. You're gonna want to get into this compartment that's behind the battery here. And if you can see, you got two little no, they're not bolts, but little pins holding in this vent here, the shroud above one of the wipers. So we're gonna just pop those off, and then we'll get right back to the filter, which is right behind there. All right, guys, it was a little weird, but if you pinch this will unscrew, and then just comes right on out. Kind of different. Because once it goes in, then it's got a threaded head, and you just tie it right back in. So a little different than what I'm used to, but that was the technique I used. I used a needle nose plier and just pinched it in a little bit, and then I unscrewed it. It came right out. So we'll do the same to the other one. All right, so we got both of those little pins removed, and then it just should lift it right on up out of here. Let's see if I can get her up here. There we go. Bam. And then that just comes right on out. Oh, there we go. Kind of hard to do this and hold this at the same time, but I think you guys get the idea. Kind of hooked behind the hood right here. Gotta get it underneath. There it goes. Okay, and it is removed. Put that on the ground. And then right back there is the cabin air filter. And whew, you know what? While that's off, I think I'm gonna clean that out. Yeah, we got some dirt. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned that off. I feel a little better now. It's a lot cleaner. But right here is the filter, and let's get a light in here. That is, it's looking pretty bad, isn't it? Whew. So let's pull that bad boy out of here. Let's figure out how to get it out. Ah, you just push down. There he comes. Yeah, I'd say it's safe to say that thing is pretty toast. I'm thinking this is the original one from 06. So let's do a little comparison, shall we? Well, there is your comparison, ladies and gentlemen. What a difference. So yeah, let's go flip these out, and then we'll put them back in. All right, I took the nasty one out, clean this guy off because he was filthy, and then I'm gonna throw him in, and as we can see, it's showing the airflow right here. It's showing the airflow. Just put him right back in his little place, like so. We're ready to roll. Let's replace this. All right, so we are back. And we were going to just put this right back in there. I know it's kind of hard to see, but get in there. Snaps in, and we are set. Kind of see down there. Cleaned it off a lot better looking than it was, and then I got that in its place. So let's go put the shroud back on, and we should wrap this thing up. It did unscrew when I took it out the other way, but they're holding. So there you go. We got her done. All right, everybody, we got her done. It wasn't that bad. There was some gooey crud on there, but I got that all off. But for the most part, it's a pretty simple change, and obviously you could tell it I really needed that. Let me get a little bit of light here, but so yeah, that's gonna make a big difference when I'm out driving. I can put the air on, I won't have that musty, it's pretty musty inside there. So I'm not getting sponsored by these guys, but just for your reference, here's a part number that I got. I just went to like a local AutoZone or O'Reilly's, one of those guys, and just got that, and the rest is history. So thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick little thing. When I do get some more videos, I'll put them up as quick as I can. So thanks for hitting the like and the subscribe, hit the bell notifications, tell all your Mustang buddies, and as always, guys, follow your obsession.